In today's video, we will decorate this 30 square meter apartment in Barcelona to our client who is considering investing in this small property to rent. So we will visualize the possible decoration and all the custom-made furniture to make the most of the space through a virtual interior design project in 3D. These are the real images of this cute apartment in which we are going to work with. It's a small but very bright apartment where we will have to take advantage of every single square meter to design a decoration suitable for vocational rental or for students, and minimum for 2 people. So we will have to find some place to work and study, a place to chill and relax, some extra storage, design a nice kitchen, and a cozy bedroom to rest. The first thing we are going to do is get rid of the separating wall to allow the light to shine throughout the open space. And the next thing is to gain a little square meter by changing the sliding doors by sliding ones. And this is how the space will look before we start working on the interior design. The mood board for this apartment must be in neutral tones, and we opted for the green to give a touch of color. This is how the distribution will be, but let's discover it better by entering inside. Once we enter in the house, the first thing we see is the large window next to the kitchen, which brings a lot of light to the space. The kitchen layout is the galley type, which is space efficient without giving up on functionality, and it's perfectly integrated with the living room. Some links of union are small details like this door handle design, but also the presence of the green color in different shades and the use of the same finishing material throughout the house. The pendant light is another link of union, and above the kitchen worktop and the dining table, we wanted to give a touch of sophistication with these jewel lamps. Moving to the living area, which is just in front of the kitchen, we found a small sitting area with 2-seat sofa, a coffee table, and a custom-made wall cabinet, which has different functions. This is a furniture for the television, it's a desk to study or work, storage area in the upper and the lowest part, it has shelves in the middle area, and in the upper right part it hides the air-conditioned split, and at the same time the door moves to hide or show different parts, making this piece a very dynamic and fun furniture. The dining area is just next to the living area and consists of a table for 2. It is by the window, so it's well lit up during the day, but it also has its own pendant lamp. Just behind the dining area we can see the custom-made entrance furniture, which has an elongated mirror and hides the power distribution panel inside. And finally, let's go to the bedroom and the bathroom. The bedroom is very small space, so we didn't want it to overload it. It's made by an illuminated headboard and a single decorative lamp on the ceiling. In the bathroom we have kept the same decorative material as in the living room and the kitchen, creating consistency and harmony in the space. And that's all for today's video. Please comment, like and subscribe for more videos like this, and we will see you next time.